I do hair hauls, product reviews, and more. Trini BK, Take 55. Hey Jays, your girl is back with a video. I am going to unbox not one, not two, but three different sneakers for you guys. I am very serious about upping my sneaker game in 2021 because I noticed that when I'm putting outfits together, I think my biggest thing is getting something to put on my feet. So I want options where I don't have to be like struggling to find something to pull the outfit together, you know what I mean? And also I could pick a shoe and then build the outfit around the shoe. That's cool too, right? So first up is these Vapor Max. If you all watch my vlogs, you would see me buying these Vapor Max a few weeks ago. I got this in a 6.5, and it is the white with silver kind of iridescent bubble going on and everything like that. I love this shoe. The only thing I don't really like about it, because my feet are slim and my ankles are pretty skinny, right here in the shoe looks a little bit big. It looks a little bit big. I thought wearing it with thicker socks would kind of like fill it out. Not really. It is a bit big, and also around this area right here is big. So that's a lot of my problems when buying shoes. I need the length, but sometimes it's just the other properties of the sneakers may be a little bit too big, if you'll understand what I mean. But yeah, these are pretty nice. It was kind of torn with what color to get, so I'm glad I decided on these. Typical white shoes. Spring is coming, summer is coming, now is here. It could be worn anytime. I really don't care. Hey, so big boy got me stopping in my Air Force One. Stopping in my Air Force One. But it's not the typical white. If you follow me on Instagram and you watch my stories, you would know what color it is already. I was going for the white, still might cop it later on this year, but I saw this color and was like, this is different. I got this in I'm typically a 8 women's, and once it's kind of like unisex or whatever, I go for a 6.5. This is in UK 5.5, which works out to be 6.5 US, I believe. Look at the soling, yo. The colorway is cool. Get into this shoe, guys. Ooh, la la. It's pretty comfortable, nice. I caught a couple people's eyes with this on, like, fresh and so clean. Love this color. I gravitate to this color a lot, so I know I will be wearing this a lot. I'm putting it on for you. All right, so this is a mouthful. Converse Runstar High Borg lined sneakers in cream. Okay, UK 5.5. It converts to US 6.5. I was hesitant to buy these shoes because I was really what you call it about the sizing. I wasn't sure about the sizing, but I read the reviews and I went back and forth and I went this and that. I got this from the Asos site. I did not get this from Converse. I bought this from online. The Nikes was bought in person in store, and the other one was bought in store. If you watch my vlog, you would know. But yes, let's unbox. I just love a nice chunky high what do you call it, shoe. High cut shoe. I like low cut shoes when it comes to like Vans and Converses and stuff like that. And this is a Converse, but You know what I mean. I like those because they fit pretty snug around the ankles, but a lot of low-cut sneakers like the Air Force is a little bit, you know, big around the ankle area for me. So I pretty much, if I had a choice, I would go high cut all the time. These look like this, and when I tell you these are super comfortable, these are super comfortable. I love this. I love these shoes.